Hey guys, welcome to Log News. Today I'll be showing you how to delete a Telegram contact on your Android device. And now let's dive right in. Now to delete a contact in your Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your Android device like this. Now in order to delete your account, you can delete your contact directly if you have chatted with them or messaged with them from over here. But if they are not available over here, we'll be required to go to the contacts section of the Telegram in order to find that Telegram contact and delete it. So to do that, let's tap on the three-lined icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap over there, and you can see the contacts option available over here, guys. Just below the new group, tap on that contacts option like this, and over here, guys, you will be able to find all of your contacts available on your device. Now in order to delete your contact, first choose which one of the contacts you want to delete on your account or your Telegram account like this. So I'll be going with this one. I'll be deleting this account. Now in order to delete this Telegram contact on my device, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three dotted icon over here. You can see the delete chats available only, but you'll not be able to find the delete contact option from the chatbot. In order to do that, we'll be required to tap on the username or the name of the chat head on the top of the screen. So let's tap on my friend's name over here like this, and guys, you can see after we tapped on his name like this, his contact appeared on hold. And from over here you can again see the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that three dotted icon like this, and over here, guys, you can see the delete contacts option available for us right now. But before then this time there was no delete contact option available because we are on the outer side of the Telegram. With that being said, guys, let's tap on the delete contact and tap on delete. And there, guys, this contact has been successfully deleted from our Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.